going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how I make my zucchini noodles with mushrooms. In the description box below, you can get a blender. If you need a blender, just click the link. If you need the nutritional guide from Dr. Sebi, it's a link in the description box below. Click the link. And if you want to get the Emerald Tablets book by Billy Carson, you can click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. So, right, I got my cilantro, onion powder, sea salt, cayenne, thymes. That's what I'm gonna be seasoning my mushrooms with. I put a little sea salt on the zucchini noodles already. Put them in there. Now with the seasonings, I just like to use these. You can use any approved seasonings that's off the nutritional guide. You can use any season that you like, whatever you want to use, you can use that. I just like to use these. So after about 5 minutes of my noodles being in the pot with the grapeseed oil, I seasoned up my mushrooms and peppers and onions. Can you see that seasoning on them? I got cayenne on them, onion powder, cilantro, thymes, sea salt. We can begin to add them to the zucchini noodles. Now, if you like to cook your noodles by themselves, you can do that. And if you like to do your mushrooms by themselves, you can do that, then add it later. But I like to do mine at the same time. And we're gonna let this cook for about 5-10 minutes. You will see your noodles get to be they'll catch a color, whatever color that your seasonings change them to. You'll see that. And you let them go for about another 10 minutes or so. Keep a close eye on it. So after about 10 minutes of the zucchini noodles and the vegetables cooking, we can go ahead and see what they looking like, tasting like. They smelling real good. Smelling real good. Smelling real good. Now if you like to add you some sauce to it. Now like I said, when you cooking this, you don't have to be like me. You don't have to be 100% alkaline. I use everything off Dr. Sebi list. If you like to add whatever sauce you like to add to it, you can do that. The goal is we want you eating healthy food. That's the goal. So as long as you eating this healthy food, that's really what matters. That's what I care about. Now if you want to add you some barbecue sauce, or you want to add you some whatever your sauce you like, you can add that. Just add the healthy food to your life. Smelling real good right now. I can't lie. Smelling real good. I want you to get a good look at that. Zucchini noodles mushroom, peppers, onions. Looking real good, smelling real good. So again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. Again, thank you for watching.